This is my main thing. Another thing is sound barrier I had asked. They say it is beyond our court. Sound barrier is required. This is, I know, I am talking way ahead. That's all, I will not come again.
And the next place we are going is Combo. Please come over there because then we can have more time and a lot of people can speak because I know everybody is angry. So
कन्सर्न आहे म्हणून सगळे येयले आमगे विलेजूय आहाय आमगे शेजार विलेजांतले आहाय सगळ्यांचो बरें दिसलें एक म्हणटा तें हें आमगे अवेरनस इट्स नॉट एन एजिटेशन नथिंग वी वॉन्ट टू मेक पीपल अवेर that what is happening is they are trying to destroy Goa slowly. आमची घरां ट्रॅका सायडीनूच आसा आनी ती आमगेली आत बांदलो न्हू कॉन्क्रिटान बांदलो न्हू ती आमची माते घरां तांकां ओवर द इयर्स क्रॅक येयल्या तेमी सांबाळ्ळे ती रावताय सो आतां हे एक ट्रॅक येयले 2 ट्रॅक येयली पयलीं सावथ सेंट्रल येयले तेज्या पयलीं विन्सीन सांगिल्ले पोर्चुगीज ट्रेन येयली आतां intensity of train has increased. In a day we have minimum 99 trains passing as per 2 years back survey what we had. So I'm sure any increase zala. Ata any track galun we are expecting 180 plus trains in a day. So amgele गावांत गोरवांकार आसा आमगे लोक आसा दोनी आटीन शेतां काम करपी these are the basic people who uses this place. सो तांकां क्रॉस करपाक लेवल क्रॉसिंग येवपा पडलें वो अंडरपासा येवपा पडलें सो आमगेली विलेज ऑटोमॅटिकली डिवायड जातली आमगे इगोजेशी आहा तिणें आनी कितें करपा पडलें गोळे मडगांव वचपा पडलें सो आमगेली डेमोग्राफी चेंज जातली सो हे कन्सर्न आमगेलें आनी आमगे लोकांलें आसपा जाय कित्याक तांकां खबर आसपा ना कितें जाता तें आतां तो सांगता भाशेन टावर गायला पयलीं रेल्वेन म्हणून गायलो आतां कळ्ळां रिलायन्सान वयला So, railway, they are not sure. They are trying to sell the stake of railways. So, and government हाल government आसपाना दी private काटले आपण घेतले गोड अदानी गे सगळी ट्रॅक. So this is cheating us. This is directly they are trying to cheat us, and we are all elected members. We who are in the chair right now, it is our responsibility to oppose it, and we have done so. Now coming back to Vince's query, which he was also part of a delegation, we went to the collector and we told him that we don't want any more tracks because we are already getting another big highway that side, on the eastern side. So, Sangile, he said, the railways, Konkan Railway was there that time, and he said, as of now, we don't have a plan, and that was verbally. So recently what we did is we also wrote to them saying that we oppose and we support the villagers of Kansauli not to have the third track. So he replied saying that there is no track coming, and this is in black and white. It's written and replied to us. So they have written to the projects of the railway, and then CC to us to keep us in information. So this is the update to Vinci. Now this is not Kansauli, Velsav, तेंचेच फायट न्हू हे आमगे गांवांतल्यान वयता जाल्यार आमकां आज कोडशाचो इम्पॅक्ट कितू जाता तो आमकां गोडे दिसतीपणा जातालो म्हळ्यार आम दुयेंत पडटाय कित्याक पडटाय तें कोण चोवपा वचनाय आज कोरोना जाता आज कोरोना जाल तें कित्याक जायत बरें जालां तें उणी जावन आमकां कितू फायदो आहा तेंचो चोवपा मेळ्ळा आमकां ह्या थोड्या तेंपार सो our people have struggled, our people are still struggling to make their livelihood. So I feel आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन कांसालकारांक उतोडकारांक माजोडकारांक आनी आमी सुरालकार सगळे एकठांय जावन तांकां सपोर्ट करचो आनी आमी करतले म्हणून ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द सरपंच इज हियर he has always said we are there to support this agitation, and on behalf of him I am saying so we are there with you all, and please let us know when we can help you. Thank you.
And after all this transformation on this 74th Independence Day, you all have actively come out, all of you all, and I compliment and congratulate all of you to fight for a cause. It is democracy. We say government of the people, for the people and by the people. But whatever the people want and the people oppose is thrust and pushed upon them, which I totally disagree. Many ask me, like from my village, Bruno and so many others, why you don't come for the meetings? Actually, to tell you the fact, I was entering the Majorda meeting, it ended. We also, since I'm the principal, I had come from flag hoisting, then they said come here. So as and when I get time, if we don't come also, we are fully behind and backing you all because of the time. And there are many people of Sarauli village also who are fully supporting. I saw a beautiful video of Zed, who is not here. It speaks volumes about this movement and the ill effects of the coal. Now, if this coal is going to be pushed upon us with this double tracking, which we fully oppose, because what happens to Sarauli, that same track will go through my village. It is going to destroy not only tourism in our village will be finished because the beaches are going to be finished. Agriculture will be finished. Then what are we people going to live and survive on? Forget the health is, they say, our wealth. And the government is supposed to protect the interests of the health. What, by the coal gift to us? So this is the thing. I don't want to waste much time. You all have another meeting. But I'm totally with you all. I may or may not be there. Wherever I can, I'm fully supporting and opposing this double tracking. And I compliment and congratulate all of you who are taking this clause. And may God bless you and may we achieve our goal for and the government sees vision and mission in this opposing. Maybe many people are not coming out, but people are there because of the corona. Yeah, people are not coming out. That doesn't mean people are not with you all. All the Goans are with you all. Congratulate and thank you.
Our Lady of Assumption, IJF Esther Soglang Purvi. We cannot forget that today is also Independence Day. Very rightly said in the manner, we fought for freedom, and today we all have to start a fight against coal. When I speak today, I would like to introduce myself as Royal Fernandez, a climate reality leadership corps. Not as a person, villager from Binauli, but as a trained person who has undergone training recently. The lockdown ni itli boira padla ki amka घरा रावन आणि environment alavan काही नाही शिकलो पडला. विन्सिन सांगला तेम की सांगिल ते की ते आपण एक गावा की त्रास जाताय ते सारखे स्पष्ट सांगले. And this Vinci, I have heard him time and again, he has been explaining about this, the impact of these tracks through the village. Kevin has explained to us about how the government has given feedback or the department has. I would like to touch upon climate. तुम दिसता आम्ही सगळी बरी हाय, all of us are fine, the weather is fine. Do you all notice changes? तुम soil na Orville Masha Poil and he explained that the sea level has risen, the coasts are eroding. Our agricultural lands are getting fallow. Our life is at stake. Yes, because of the activities done by the government or by us to some extent in some cases, and we need to rise up. During my training, online virtual training, and they showed us that in China, the maximum number of deaths was in areas where there were coal fields. The amount of PM25 or your fine particulate matter which was there was the maximum around these coal hubs. And if you link it or if you see, the maximum number of deaths in Goa are also in Vasco. Why is it? You are loading, unloading, everything happens there. And if you see in 2020, the plan is for 15 million tons per annum. And by 2030, they project 51 million tons. So it's just not twice, it's going quite more. And every 10% increase of frequency increases of 0.12% of PM25 in the percentage in the air. So, orasa samaj itli ospa ha zaler I stingmele ke bashin ingai motole. Am kenna study kelna, but because of this course I did a little study. You have to learn more. Borelo hamu boro mudopni oting motta imul sangopna. When I just found out there was an Indian who was doing a research, Akshaya Jhaman in Harvard, and they studied in US only. They did a study in US, and they found out a survey of about 8 years from 2010 till 2018. In that span, they did a survey. And in 1,000 cities across USA, areas coal devta and coal transfer zata. It's just not loading and unloading, but the transfer lines along that belt, people have been suffering with lungs, cancers, respiratory diseases and cardiovascular diseases. All this, besides, it's just not coal. You have lead, you have mercury, which is also going along with that, with your good. This is all going to come from Australia, which is a reject from there, is brought to Goa. And Orville, sometime back, he said, why should the Goa government, amke government, kitya morpa do dainga? Where is it going? It tracks hui hota ide. In Karnataka, no, we are a small stretch, and Karnataka has got ports of their own. Why can't they take it there? The government there, the people they are protesting, and our CM has buckled under pressure. Definitely it is not just one person, it's the center who is pressurizing them to put the lives of Goans at stake. If we stop coal, we will be saved. I'm not talking about you and me. I'm talking about the generations which have come through you. It's not, if I am here for my daughters because I want to see their generations enjoy this land. The Western Ghats or the Sahyadris, which is, the meaning of Sahyadri is kind-hearted. And what is Goa doing for it, or the government doing, is going to actually murder the mountains. We are not far, Kerala floods, it's all an ecological cycle. And if you don't listen to environmentalists, to ecologists, then we are going to ruin our own future. They have already said that what is happening in Kerala is going to happen forever because a mountain destroyed cannot be restored back. So we have to work towards stopping this damage. The 3 projects, double tracking, the high power transmission line and the national highways. This is all a coal corridor. Last year, I drive to Belgaum also, and I have seen what destruction they have done there. I have few pictures also. I actually drove along the treetops. When you cross Anmod and you are entering Karnataka, when you are going on the, before you reach Ramnagar, old honey, oil and pan hai titullan. I have photographs here. This is the way they have destroyed already Karnataka, and government is saying they are going to tell them to grow plants there. Afforestation in Karnataka. It means like you have the sickness here and the hospital is in Karnataka. Why do we want that? We don't want that to happen here. You make us die here and then we have to go and spend our hard-earned money for those in those hospitals there? No, not acceptable. Today, let's take a pledge. It's a freedom struggle again. This time, it's just coal is part of it. Western bypass. I have the Western bypass here. This is all related to climate. If there's no climate, your existence, everybody's existence is at stake. I'm Urpanai. Uskar Gyopa, oxygen hai. And the majority of the oxygen comes from the Western Ghats. It's the world's 8th biodiversity hotspot. It's a UNESCO site. And I don't understand how a CM makes statements and then he acts differently. Last year, 3rd of August, I just read at the Forest Guards this convocation. Forest Guards degree he announced that day that in Valpoi they are going to have a research center, international research center for forestry to research. I'm wondering whether he wants to have the research center to study what are the effects after the destruction of Western Ghats? Is this what they want? No, it's just not Sarauli. Bengauli also because wire hate am Sarauli and dolo hare glass screen going on dol na meche tuge wire tuka muge wire maka. No, it's all over Goa, and I request everyone to rise up today now and protect Goa from this coal pollution. Thank you.
I'm mostly तेर्सकोताय घराकडे तेर्सा किती वगत लागता 20 मिनिट ते 20 मिनिट दौऱ्या 20 मिनिटामध्ये सुमार 4 गाडी वयताय 4 ते 5 गाडी वयताय now you can make out how many trains are passing 20 मिनिटामध्ये 4 ते 5 गाडी वयताय आणि every time you are saying Rosary you have to stop. So we cannot hear the other. आणि एक रेल्वे जाय ते कोता level crossing आणि किती ते उलयत आहे correct level crossing. What happens to a person like me? Railway in, electricity pole in, I am blocked. I cannot go home with my car. I go home by scooter. Since the railway has done Mukesh scooter good car, railway should do the other infrastructure which I've been demanding. Of the Konkan railway to pass this side. We have one, take it to the hinterland or take it behind the village, of which some objections were brought and the railway came this side. They had at that time, and I clearly remember, they had at that time said that they were acquiring land. They were acquiring land in such a way. This road, what you'll see here, was supposed to be acquired by the railway. That bakery of the church, that was supposed to be demolished. And all the houses, whatever were there. We have objected, we have taken thrashing from the police, and eventually they went within the railway property. Now I would like to know, was that acquisition plan, what they had put at that time, been cancelled or no? We don't know. We don't know. If you all know, speak up. One. Number two, when the railway comes to do certain job works, I am retired now, so I am more at home. I keep an eye on all these engineers who come. They are all people who do not know what they are doing. Number one, whenever there is an engineer or inspection going on, I am proud enough to say that I tell them where the defects are in my locality. I've told them that the rail is cracked there, the rail has sunk here. I know. I've been living here through the wooden slip-knot area, the metallic slip-knot area, and now the concrete. That time the engineer said, if you put concrete slippers, आवाज ये पाना. Sound is the same. Sound is the same. Forget about that. Now, of late they have dug both sides. I got hold of the engineer. I asked him, what are you doing? No, we are laying cables for signaling system. I said, what do you mean signaling system? This signal is not enough? He said, no, in the past, take note. In the past, a train left Margaon and reached Majorda. No other train would come along the track till this train crossed Majorda. Now the signaling system will be such, train number 1 will leave, reach Majorda. Train number 2 simultaneously will leave, stop at a signal midway. Train number 3 will come, stop. So you'll have signals throughout. And they told me this signaling system is done both the sides because they want, if one side fails, the other side goes. Agree. They dug the trench as deep as I am. They put the cables. They did not cover the cables right up to the time the monsoon was at verge. Walking in my own property, my foot sank this much after they had it. They have just dumped the mud. The topography of the place has changed. The old West Indian Portuguese Railway, they put an excavator to a certain place, they knocked up those stones. They are lying there in my property. Forget about that. I was told that the signaling system, a tower is put up at the Sarauli station. Fair enough, you are doing it for railway. Suddenly last month, I informed my Punch member, last month, there was a person from Jio company opposite the pharmacy. The Jio person is telling me, Sahib, you take this Jio card. I said, I've got Jio from the inception. Reception is very bad. Sir, we have taken over the railway tower. We have taken over the railway tower. Now you tell me one thing. We need communication. Correct. Why did the railway tell the people initially that these cables are being laid, that tower is there for signaling system? Is it to bring Adani and all these people to the back door? Jio is owned by whom? Today, that tower belongs to him. Are you aware? This is what is happening back. If you want to start broad gauging, you want to do railway development, tell us the truth first. Don't tell us A and then do B. This is example one. Example number two. I have been pressurizing the Panchayat. I don't know if the Panchayat has taken action. Every Gram Sabha. Few years ago, Kevin, I don't remember the date, a map was sent saying that the various overpass and underpass, whatever it is, where they have to come. On that, they are shown 3 tracks or 4 tracks? 4. 4 tracks are shown on that plane. And the plane is defective. Now, as you all know, during Portuguese time, this is Dunkoli Sarauli. I belong to Dunkoli. Dunkoli is a bigger revenue village for the Kumdar than Sarauli. This is history. You all don't know. And Surale Mulbob Mate to me. Fine. That plan is showing the 4 railway tracks ending in the Sarauli. Dunkoli hai na. Study korai. When I told our people don't listen. It ends there. Fine. Why 4 railway tracks? Is the 4 tracks going to come at Sarauli, stop there, and then we'll have this too? This is for the future. What they are doing, they are telling us one thing, doing something else. This is our main contention. Why? Why is this? Number 3. This is a Panchayat also. When this level crossing was put up, all of you all know, please stand half an hour, 45 minutes, it's there. But we should be grateful to that linesman. He doesn't put the gate immediately down. He puts it exactly at the time when we require. But even then, it is 20 minutes, 30 minutes, we are there. The government had acquired land where our present underpass is coming. Fine. But what did the ministers and others who wanted to shut their mouths, where they wanted to take the overhead bridge? Kevin knows. It was going from Sarauli to Mungul and taking a turn and coming back. I pointed it out to the MLA. Okay. Okay. 26 meters broad road has been acquired at that time. That was for the ring road of Margao, whereby we did not even want this western bypass. Ring road of Margao coming, going to and joining there. I'm not cutting short. This is history. People should know. And people can wait. Today's is 1 minute. I finish. When our ministers, now another one thing important, our MLA now, when I asked him, Ani track yetre? When I am there, you don't fear. Railway am chimure. La ani track e na mupala wala. Ami age buro hindi re amka. Kita buro hindi na. Nobody wants to give us in writing what is the future. Anta santa, we are supporting you, we are doing this. So whenever when we have a meeting like this, we must the local MLA should be here. We have voted all our MLAs for things what we want, not for things what they want to do. Yes. If you cannot do what we want, step down.
Yes.
Step down. Don't resign this. Step down. Dio. Or not dio. Resign magi am dita ituka buruin. Because usually, many a times they tell me to draft for letter. I'll draft a letter for his resignation. This is what it is. Thank you. I hope no more tax, nothing more is coming. Keep your eyes open. Railway comes on the slide. Now they've raised these poles. Electrification of tracks. That's all. Thank you.